Hey guys, I'm here at the Martha Lafite Nature Sanctuary in Liberty, Missouri. You can do a lot of things here. You can go on their hiking trails, or you can watch wildlife and wild plants and wildflowers, and just enjoy nature. So I'm gonna see if I can take some good pictures and videos of the area, and we'll go from there. See ya. So the first thing that you have to do is to sign in the visitors block. Right now it's closed, the center. So you just have to sign in, and then you can go on your merry way. On your hike. Let's go. You can also get this map from the from that little box where you have to sign in. It's got a list of the hiking trails that you could choose and the map with it. So they have a lot of trees here. They also have notes on the trees, and some of the trees, and what kind of tree it is. So right here you have an option to go to the South Meadow Trail that goes all the way up there, or you can pick the Prairie Trail, which goes on the right. So the South Meadow Trail to your left and the Prairie Trail to your right. Which one should I pick? I'm going to the Prairie Trail. You can see the grass growing now, it's all green. Not the trees though. It's getting there. Spring is coming. Oh, spring has arrived, but not full blown yet. I think it will be a good idea to wear some good walking shoes. I'm just wearing my regular shoes. I just saw some birds. I think it was a cardinal because it was red. It's pretty common in these areas. Okay, so now I'm going to pick the South Meadow Trail. I picked the Prairie Trail earlier, but it wasn't that challenging. So let's see, the South Meadow Trail to my left. Looks like a little steep there. I'm just gonna walk on the side because the path in the middle is kind of wet. And my shoes aren't the best right now. Not the best shoes to wear. Looks like there's a big house right across me. I don't know who owns that house. It's probably because this place is surrounded by neighborhood, so it doesn't actually feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, but it still has that nature-y feel, obviously. Oh geez. Okay, let's see if I can just avoid that puddle. Ow. Oh, ouch, that was freaky. Okay, I didn't see that. Good thing I didn't touch it, else I'll be bleeding. I guess it's a good idea to wear your hiking boots this time of year. Or some wellies, because the grounds are really soft and wet. and my shoes looks like shit right now. So it says on the brochure to be careful, poison IVs. Oh, look at that. I got some prickly thing. I'll get them off as soon as I... Oh, really? Well, I guess I was complaining about that prairie trail that's not challenging. I got all these stuff on my t-shirt. I don't know how to get them off. Alright, I'll be right back. So the plants are just starting to grow. I can see the green. They're grow. Spring is finally here. And all these ugly colors will be green in the next few weeks. I'm so excited. I'll come back for it. But I bet this place will be packed by then. Oh, look at that. Someone just stuck that lizard on the tree. Oh, obviously it's a fake one. Real clever. That's funny. Alright guys, I think this is the end of the South Meadow Trail, and there is a sign here, a little map that would guide you to your next trail. I will probably go to my right, which is, let me look at my map. Sorry. Oh, that's the same map. Okay. I'm gonna go to the Sycamore Trail, and I'm gonna go all the way down to the old sycamore tree, and I'll take a video of that, and then continue to the Bluff Trail, and hopefully there's water in the creek. I would assume there is because it rained it rained today and the other day. So let's go. There's a not so reliable looking bridge. Hopefully it doesn't collapse on me. Try it. Oh, looks sturdy. It feels sturdy. Okay, so you can either turn left or right. So I'm gonna go right, and hopefully we'll see that old sycamore tree. It's nice walking down here because you can hear the birds and the nature, even if it's close to a residential area. It's still nice and peaceful. Is that it? I think that's it. I was expecting it to be huge. Well, I guess I don't know how the sycamore tree looks like. Let's see what it says. Oh. Oh, okay. Not big, but it looks dangerous. I wouldn't want to recommend someone standing here when it's very windy. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's dead. I think it's probably dead. Here you go, the old sycamore tree. Here you go. So, Martha Lafite, she was the only child of Roger Lafite and Anne Stilwell. Roger Lafite was French and Anne Stilwell was American. Right when she was young, right when Martha was young, she expressed her love for nature. It was no secret. She loves horses, she loves the wildlife. She graduated in Liberty High School here in Missouri, Liberty, Missouri. When she was older, she met Omer Thompson. They got married, and in the 1950s, they put up a barn with horses. They set up all these trails here, the prairie trails. So that's why this place is here, because of them. This place is well kept. Anybody can just come here and just walk on the trails and feel safe. It's not too far from civilization. It's not far from civilization at all. But it still has that peaceful feel. You know what I mean? Like nature, you can hear the birds chirping. But sometimes you can also hear the airplanes. But anyways, yeah, it's a good place for your kids. Or you want to just go on a hiking by yourself, it's fine too. And I'm gonna go and continue my walk. Cheers. So cold there. Hey guys, I believe we are here at the McGowan Bridge. It's right behind me. If you can see it, it's a beautiful bridge. In the brochure it says that the McGowan Bridge Trail features the historic McGowan Bridge, which remains from the Interurban Railroad, which ran from Kansas City to Excelsior Springs in the early 1900s. So over here we can watch for barred owls, which nests near the creek. I haven't seen that one yet, so let's go looking for it. So we are going up to the Polaris Trail. There's a staircase right there. Check it out. Let's see how many steps this thing has. So it's got 35 steps, or was it 25? I think it's 35 steps. Oh shit, oh my gosh, that was close. I guess there's gonna be a lot of birds this way. Alright guys, so I'm still in the pond trail. To be honest, it's quite a challenging trail for me. I'm not a rambler, so I'm not used to this kind of walk, but it's got like steep trails. So, and right now it's kind of dangerous to be just going on a trail without wearing the right shoes because it's real slippery and you could just slide there and hurt yourself. So, and make sure that you like be careful when you're holding on to these things. There will be twigs or trees that have big thorns on them, so just saying. I almost held on to one. Okay. Train right there, going its way to wherever the hell it's going. It's called Canadian Pacific something. Maybe it's going to Canada. I don't know. Hey guys, so overall, the Lafite Thompson trails are pretty dope. Lots of nature sounds, birds, streams. But since it's just like near the residential area, and it's near the train station, and it's near the main road, you can also hear the trains, motorway, and cars coming in and out from the residential homes. But I will definitely come back here when it's all green and not ugly. Right now it's still trying to recover from winter. But it's a good trail. You can pick all the trails if you like, or you can pick just the moderate, challenging trails or the beginner's trails or whatever. Just look at the map and find out, just like what I did. Or you can do your research first and not end up like me, almost slipped on the path. And it also says on the brochure that you guys have to be careful of the poison ivies. So look it up See how it looks like? Don't touch it. Peace.